Alright, hey penguins, it's Miss McGlenny here. Want to give you a tutorial on the box method for a 2-digit by a 2-digit number. So this time we are using the box method, and first thing we want to do is draw our box. I should have 4 boxes, right? I should have 4 boxes here because I have 4 digits. So now I want to decompose 36 into expanded form, which would be 30 plus 6 and 50 plus 8. Alright, so now I'm going to put this inside of my box. 30 and 6, 50 and 8. Here we go. Now I'm going to multiply my top row first. So I have 50 times 30 and then 50 times 6. So I'm going to put that in. So I'm going to start right here with 50 times 30. Well, 50 times 30 is kind of a big number, and I'm not trying to do all of that. So I'm just going to start with 5 times 3. 5 times 3 we know is 15. So I'm going to put my 15. And then how many zeros do I have? 1 0 here, 1 0 here. So I'm going to put those 2 zeros here. Because it's just like I'm multiplying the whole thing by 10. So I would have 5 times 3. And then I would have 5 times, or 0 times 3. That'll give me that 0 here. And then I would have 0 times 30, you know. So I'm just putting my zeros in. I'm done with this box. So now I'm moving on to 50 times 6. So now 50 times 6. 5 times 6 gives me 30. And then 0 times 6, or I can just think about how many zeros do I have right here. I have 1 0. And I'll just put that 0 here. Don't get confused by this 0. I still need to add the 0 that I have here. Alright, so I'm finished with the top. I need to move on to the bottom. 8 times 30. Well, if I didn't know what 8 times 30 was, I could skip count by 8. I know what 8 times 3 is, which is 24. And I have 1 0 here. And then my next one is 8 times 6. And I know that 8 times 6 is 48. So now I'm going to take all of my parts of my product and make sure that I have enough space. My numbers are lined up, 300, 240, and 48. Add them all up. 8, 8. 5 and 3 gives me 8 plus 2 more is 10. Regroup my 1 and then 2. That is the box method right here for you.